H&I Automotive Motor Minute, and today I just wanted to let you guys know that we do have financing here at H&I in case you ever have the need for it. It's through a company called Synchrony Car Care, and it works just like any other store credit card. You apply for the card, it literally takes like 3 minutes to do, and if you've got a repair that you don't really want to put on a credit card and don't have the funds available, get one of these cards. They'll give you 6 months same as cash. It's really easy to use, and it's also good nationwide, and it's also good at a lot of gas stations like Texaco, Exxon, Mobil, and Shell. So if you need financing, Synchrony Car Care here in Mesa. We do have a similar card over in Gilbert called CFNA. Again, both of them will give you 6 months same as cash, no interest. So if you have that need, that makes it a little bit easier. Hope that helps, and don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. So, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.